from eBay, Impossible Mission 2. Paid about 15 bucks with tax and shipping. And according to the description, it's and title, it said it on the listing, it said it not working. So let's see if this game works. And if it's not working, I'm gonna try to get it working. One thing about this style of cartridge is that, okay, it has 4 screws in the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually has another one right in the middle here. It's under the sticker. If I need to open it, you know, there's a chance I might mess up this sticker here, but I would have to heat this up and can't apply too much heat in order to remove this sticker without breaking it. So I'm gonna try to see if it actually works. It might get lucky. It might just work, you know. So let's see. Okay, it looks like I'm getting a black screen here. Okay, let me try it again, because you never know. First thing I'm gonna do is try to clean it up without opening the sticker in the back. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, because I don't want to risk messing up the label, the back label. So I'm gonna use 99% isopropyl alcohol first. So I'm just gonna rub that, see if it doesn't, you know, it makes a difference. So let me just rub it on like this. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, is attempt to try to clean it up without opening it. You know, I'm gonna use opening it as my last resort. It just may not work, you know. It looks dirty. See, this style card, like I said, it has the back label sticker where there's a screw under it, and you don't really want to open it up, because then you might ruin it. Okay, I'm gonna use one more. Try it again. That's the first thing I'm going to do, is just try to clean it up with alcohol. Okay, so let's see. I'm blowing inside of it. Let's see if this will do anything. Let me just wipe it down with one without any alcohol, just to try it up. Okay, now let's see if this shot is one shot deal. Oh! All I needed was a little cleaning. That's it. I'm not gonna mess with it. You know, I'm not gonna attempt to open it or anything like that. You know, or anything crazy. So that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do is clean it with a little bit. One more thing. I'm just gonna clean it with a little bit of Brasso. You know, just shine up the pins a little bit, the same exact way that I did it. You know, before I put it into my collection. So I'm gonna just dab a little bit onto this Q-tip. So it does work. Just needed a little cleaning. That's all. Just put a little Brasso here. A little Brasso here. Okay. Wipe it down like that. Just use one more of these, just to put a little bit more alcohol, just to clean the Brasso off of it. So the game did work. This was like the cheapest one that I could find. Blowing it again. So let's try it again. And it works. So that's it. and it actually works. In Possible Mission, I thought it was actually, you know, broken, and I had to open. I was thinking that, you know. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace out. I'm out.